Hi there, this is NikitaNet, and what I've got here is my Garden Feelings, well, lawn mower, and we need to test it. So I fueled it up and there's oil in here, so let's just do that. Right? Right. So this is NikitaNet. I'm very glad I've purchased this machine. It runs quite nicely. I removed the bag because, well, on the highest setting I'm not cutting any grass here because it's been mowed recently. However, I am picking up leaves and I don't want to clean that thing out. As you can see here, it is wonderful. Garden Feelings. Let's check. Alco Gret GmbH, purchased at Aldi, and I'm very glad. So this is NikitaNet saying I hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.